AutoCAD Electrical now supports industry-standard multi-level terminal blocks and jumpers. The user interface allows you to associate schematic terminals with up to 3 terminal levels per symbol. Existing terminal block references are displayed on a project-wide basis where the associations can be modified to include multi-level designations. The enhanced menu also allows you to modify existing symbol block properties and quickly add custom multi-level terminal properties. With the updated manufacturer's database and enhanced capabilities, AutoCAD Electrical streamlines the use of multi-level terminals and helps standardize your designs on the latest technology from your favorite manufacturers. The Jumper Edit tool provides you with a simple interface for creating and editing jumpers between terminals of the same potential. The information can then be temporarily displayed within the drawing or graphically annotated on a tabular terminal strip.